Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to make some breakfast in our air fryer. The Power XL that I got from QVC for $100. It's $99, and then it's 5 easy payments of $20. So we're going to check this out. We're going to make a frittata. We're going to fry an egg. I've never done this before, so you are going to experience this right along with me. And we're going to try to make some bacon and some toast. So all of that can fit literally inside of here. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to preheat the oven real quick. So all you have to do is just come up here, turn on the power. I'm going to turn mine down to 360. And we're just gonna preheat it. So just let it run for a few minutes. And while it's doing its thing, can you see okay? We're gonna get started. So I'm just gonna make 2 eggs. Then I'm gonna add just a little touch of water to it. The water makes it nice and fluffy. So let me just whip that up real quick. See? I'll come back to that. I did chop up some bell peppers and some mushrooms and some tomatoes, and grated up some cheese. So I'm going to just make mine a veggie one. Now you can add whatever you want to in it. I mean, you can do ham and whatever you want. Ham and cheese or whatever. Okay, and that's only been preheating for a minute, so we'll give it another minute or 2. Okay, while that's preheating, I'm going to go ahead and add in all my veggies, the bell peppers, the mushrooms, and tomatoes. Give that a quick little stir. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Give that a quick little stir. And this has been preheating now for 5 minutes, so I know that that's more than enough time. It's sizzling. I'm just gonna put that there for right now. And I'm gonna take some cooking spray. Canola oil is what I'm using today. And I'm just going to give it a quick little spray. And then I'm just going to put it in. Oh, 2 eggs took up, and then some, took up 3 spots. So I think with the other spot, I'll just try and do just a regular old egg. All by itself. See how that turns out. I'm not sure. We're just playing here, okay? Oops. Almost spilt everything over. Put this up on the top rack. And then on this one, I'm going to use some bacon. So I have turkey bacon. Oops. trying to eat more healthy with an air fryer, so I figured I like the taste of turkey bacon. I like it, actually, I prefer it to regular bacon, but I mean, you can use whatever you like. Scooch this down a little bit. That's not hot. And then we'll just slide that in there. Close it up. And let it do its thing. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to put these in there. I forgot. Can you believe I forgot my cheese? What? We can't have eggs without cheese. Ooh, that's hot. Oops. See, now I'm making a big mess everywhere. I can't believe I almost forgot my cheese. What was I thinking? That is a big, big no-no. I guess I'm hungry. Luckily I caught it just in time. Okay, so since I made a big mess all over the place now, I know it's going to take a little longer than I was hoping for it to. Or not longer, but it's going to be a little bit sloppy. Okay, we're going to put that in there for 15 minutes. Okay, so at this point, it's been cooking literally for just a few minutes. So for about what? I put it at night. 15, so 6 minutes. So I'm going to take this out at this point because these are starting to cook okay. And let's see, these are looking fantastic. So we're going to switch these around. We want these to where they're not too runny, so they still need a little more cook time. Get in there. And then we're going to add in our toast. There it goes. Okay, I did mention that this is a trial and error type video, right? So, let's see. We are at, let's see here. Grab that. See? Totally overcooked that one. But those look pretty good, other than them running out. That anymore. Let's take a look at this. Just give it a few more minutes. Okay, we're coming up to the very last minute here. It's been going, see, down to the last minute. Let's go ahead and take a look. There's our bacon. Toast. Gotta clean that out. So the cleanup seriously couldn't be any easier. All I'm using is a wet sponge. That's it. I'm not using any degreaser or anything on there because I use turkey bacon and it doesn't really make a big mess anywhere. Or there's not a whole lot of grease anywhere. And nothing stuck. I mean, everything is like perfect. I'm just wiping up some crumbs left over from the toast. Alrighty guys, there you go. Let's check it out. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. All that cheese, yummy. Side. So good. Okay, as you can see, I totally overdid the egg. So note to self, yeah, don't, it's rubber now. Don't do that one. And don't leave it in for as long. But look at the bacon. This is turkey bacon. It has a fantastic crunch to it. So all in all, it took about 15 minutes for everything to be done just inside of here. Love it. All right guys, so literally like 15 minutes later, we did it. So the bacon is super crunchy. It's really good. I put some salsa on my eggs. Should have added some sour cream, but I didn't have any. Oops, lost a pepper. It's so good. It's like a little mini open-faced omelet. It's cooked all the way through. It's nice and fluffy. See? So good. Definitely gonna do this one again. Can't wait till the next one. I can't wait to see what we're gonna cook up next. So again, don't put your one egg in there for, I think I pulled it out at like 8 minutes and it was completely overdone. So probably, I mean, look at this thing. It's like, it's now dog food. So if I can cut it up, I don't even know. So, but there is an egg function on here just for eggs, and we'll try that one again and see how that one works out, because not that way. Definitely not that way. Where's my tongue? So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I always have fun cooking, and I'm so glad to bring you along with me. And I'm gonna go devour, and I will see you in the next one. So tomorrow, I think we're gonna start playing, or the next video, we're gonna start playing with the rotisserie. So I'm super excited about that. So let's have some fun.